Hello everyone, my name is Emma. Today I will tell you about my family. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, relax, and understand easily. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Please listen carefully and enjoy the story. Are you ready? Let's begin. I have a small, loving, and happy family. There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. We live together in a simple and cozy home. Our house is not very big, but it feels warm and safe. Every room in our house has love and care. We enjoy spending time together, talking, eating, and sharing our daily life. My father is the head of our family. He is tall and strong, and he is 50 years old. He works in an office from Monday to Friday. Every morning, he wakes up very early, even before the sun rises. He washes his face, gets dressed, and goes to the kitchen. He drinks a cup of hot coffee and reads the newspaper quietly. He likes to know about the news and the world. After breakfast, he leaves the house and goes to work by car. He works hard all day. In the evening, when he comes home, he looks tired but calm. He likes to sit on the sofa, watch TV, or read a book. Sometimes he talks to me and gives me advice about life and work. He listens carefully and speaks gently. He is kind, patient, and responsible. I feel proud of him. My mother is the heart of our home. She is 48 years old. She is not very tall, but she is always busy and full of energy. She wakes up early every morning and starts her day with a smile. She takes care of the family and the house. She cleans the home, washes clothes, and cooks meals every day. She loves cooking and makes delicious food for us. She often cooks rice, vegetables, soup, and simple healthy dishes. On weekends, she sometimes bakes bread or cakes. When she bakes, the house smells sweet and warm. She also loves gardening. She grows flowers and plants around our house. She waters them every day and talks to them softly. Because of her, our home looks beautiful and fresh. She is caring, gentle, and always smiling. When I feel sad or tired, she comforts me and makes me feel better. My brother is younger than me. He is 20 years old. He is a university student and studies computers. He likes technology and learning new skills. He spends time studying and doing homework on his laptop. On weekends, he likes to play football with his friends. He often goes to the park and enjoys running and playing outside. At home, he likes to play video games and watch videos. Sometimes he helps me when my phone or laptop does not work. He explains things patiently. He is smart, helpful, and funny. He brings joy and laughter to our family. I am the oldest child in the family. I am 25 years old. I work in an office from Monday to Friday. My job keeps me busy, but I try to do my best every day. In my free time, I like to read books, listen to soft music, and cook simple meals. Cooking helps me relax after a long day. I also like learning new things and improving my English. On weekends, I slow down and enjoy time with my family. Being with them makes me feel peaceful and happy. In the mornings, our family usually eats breakfast together. We sit at the table and enjoy simple food. We talk about our plans for the day. My father talks about his work. My brother talks about his classes. My mother talks about the house. Sometimes we laugh and tell small stories. These moments are quiet but very special. At night, we often eat dinner together. Dinner time is our favorite time of the day. We sit together, eat warm food, and talk about our day. We share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Everyone listens carefully. No one feels alone. After dinner, we sometimes watch TV together or sit and talk. The house feels calm and safe. On Sundays, we sometimes visit our grandparents. They live in a small town not far from our home. We travel by car and enjoy the road. When we arrive, they welcome us with smiles. My grandmother cooks delicious traditional food. She cooks with love, and the food tastes very good. My grandfather likes to tell old stories about his life and the past. We listen quietly and learn from him. Spending time with them makes me feel connected to my family and my roots. My family is very important to me. They give me love, care, and support every day. When I feel tired or weak, they help me feel strong again. When I feel happy, they share my smile and joy. They understand me and stand by me. I feel safe when I am with them. I am thankful for my family every day. They are my strength, my comfort, and my happiness. This is my family. What about you? Can you describe your family in English? Please tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English.